at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing an ab workout. We have a few different exercises today. I'm going to be doing 20 repetitions of each exercise. If you want to do like 30 seconds on, whatever feels good. This is meant to be done 3 times in total, so if one feels good for you, that's fine. If you want to try 2, whatever feels good for you. So we're going to start with crunches, just regular crunches. Hands behind our head, ankles crossed. All right, from here we're going to go into the bicycle crunch. So hands behind your head, and it's like we're riding a bike. So for the bicycle, doing each leg counts as 1, so that's why it took a little bit longer. So next we're going to do oblique crunch, so we'll do it on both sides. So you're going to rest on your hip, hand up, and we're going to be working these oblique muscles. Good. We'll switch sides. Same thing. All right. Then we're going to do roll-ups. So hands on the ground, you're just going to roll your abs up. For this, make sure you're using your core and engaging your core. That's what we're focusing on. All right. So now we're going to be doing a sitting crunch. All right, so last one, we're going to be doing side planks. We're going to just do 15 seconds on each side. So kind of the same position as that oblique crunch, and here we go. Three, 2, 1. All right. Then we'll switch sides. Same thing. Here we go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So again, this is made to be done 2 to 3 times. After you do a full set, grab some water. Mine is right here off camera. Take a break. If this feels good, if you're new to doing ab workouts, I would just suggest just doing it one time. Come back to this and keep doing this. Your abs, having strong abs really correlates with a lot of other things. So we want to make sure we are still engaging in our core. We also want to work our arms, our legs, and all of that, but our core really helps us do a number of activities through the day. So you'll probably feel this. If you followed with me, you'll feel this the next day. But thank you so much for joining us. Have a good one.